Sun, Harley.
Probably the ocean dampness.
Okay.
I enjoy this stuff.
How big that tree is. Whoa. It's pretty cool, dude.
Here comes Evan on the big tree.
Ooh. You got it, Daddy?
Sorta.
Yay!
I didn't.
We got a house! Yay!
Come on, Mama! Come on, Mama, come in, we got a house!
Let me come in. I come in too.
Yay!
There's no snakes. Bears.
I like
You don't like it? Zay, you want to see a slug? You see it?
You touch it?
Ew.
You wanna touch it? Wanna touch it?
A slug?
What happens if you touch it?
I don't know. Try it. Probably nothing.
So where do you go to?
Hold hands. Now hold hands. Say cheese.
Put your hand down.
Go with Evan.
I'm going to a lake, Daddy.
It wasn't like that though. It was like. So I kind of made a misstep. Okay, I'll use something.